Okay, guys, Module 6, Assignment 1. I'm going to download Insert Fields document and download the policyholders document. Okay, when you go ahead and you open these up in Word, okay, all right. And then the other one we had was a Excel list, the policyholders list, which is an Excel spreadsheet, which is a data set and provides us records for each policyholder that we're going to generate a letter for. These columns are where the individual types of information lives, and each row is unique to the person. So each person is going to have a policy number, name, unique address, everything like that. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and open the document. We're going to be in the mailings tab. We're going to go to mail merge. Okay. We're going to start our mail merge by selecting our recipients here. Okay, I'm going to open the wizard, but you could also do it directly from here. Okay, you can select your recipients using an existing list. This, selecting it here and using existing list is the same as coming over here and saying use existing list, browse. It's the exact same action, just taken in a different place. In class, we looked at it on the step-by-step wizard. I'm showing you the other option right now. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to open our policyholders list. We're going to check yes that the first row of data does have column headings. We're going to click OK. And now we have some additional options you'll see available to us up here, including the insert merged field line. So if we were to go to this next tab on step 4 here, you'll see these write your letter. This is the same piece of information as up here. So in class on Monday, I showed you how to do it here through the more items option. And now today we're going to do it through this one. So first I'm going to just select the field I want to replace. I'm going to select policy number. I'm going to come up here to insert merge fields and select policy number. Then I'm going to do that for each of these individual data points that need to be in here. There we are. And then we'll have address. We have city. And let's see what else we have. We have state. Okay. So I am just selecting these. If I were to click here on this little drop down, it lets me do it. But there's another option where if I select this and then I click up here in the top part of this little button, you'll see the two light up differently. It pops me up this. And so it's just a preference thing. Again, it's really just same action. Could be taking it over here. So I'm going to do the next example over there. First name. These are all the same exact processes of inserting from that data set, but it's just a different place where I'm, taking the action. So you can use any of these processes when you're making an edit. It's totally up to you which feels most comfortable. This one just feels the most expedient to me, so that's the one I am using. All right, and then my agent name, and it looks like I am ready to go. Okay, so now I can either go to the next step here on step 4 through 6 and say, preview my letter, or I could go up here and say preview results. They both do the exact same thing for us. It's just a matter of clicking here versus up here. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here to the finish and see what my options are. So I can finish and merge here, or I can go through here and finish and merge. Okay, complete the merge. All right, so this is where you're going to, you could edit the individual letters if you wanted to, or you could just bulk print. Okay, that's where we are at the moment. So I'm going to click on save. Okay, now we have this insert fields, just this template, and this will show me that you've done it correctly. You can also click on edit individual letters, all, and it'll pop up all of them together in one big document of 147 letters. You can save this and send it to if you would like. But really what we need is the first one. Okay. So that is that. Alrighty. So the next piece, oops, froze on me. Okay. All right. So now I am going to head back in here. Okay. So the next step we're going to do, we've saved it. Go ahead and do that. And now we're going to create a new blank document and start a new letter merge. Okay. So I'm going to come up to new blank document. I'm going to go to mailings. Okay. I'm going to use an existing list. Same data. Okay. Policyholders list. Okay. And then in this one, I have a little bit different instructions. It is to insert an address block, review the settings and make any changes you want, and then insert a greeting line. And so these are two separate tasks. So we're going to go back in here. So the first one is an address block. So now that I've linked it to the existing data set, I can insert an address block. I could have also done it from the wizard. Okay, I'm on step 3 now. I've already linked the data. Okay. Here I'm going to hit address block. It's going to give me this pop-up. I'm going to make the decisions that I want around how it looks. I'm going to hit OK, and it dumps it there. I could also do that here in the wizard by selecting address block. Okay, the same exact thing, just taken in two separate places. I'm going to return, and now it also wants me to insert a greetings line. So again, I can do that from here, or I can do that here. Totally up to you. Okay, greeting line. I could say, instead of dear, I could say to. We have some options there. Okay, hit OK. Greeting line. All right, and then you're gonna go through and save the document as my fields. Okay, so we're gonna, first we're gonna preview. Go ahead and preview. There you go. Now we're gonna go ahead and save this as what does it say? My fields. Okay. And then you will submit. Alrighty. So those are both assignments. Okay. 2 documents. And you're going to create one that looks just like this. It's just the address block and the name. And then the other is going to be this insert fields document, which is the preview for the mail merge. All right, folks. That's the first one. Thank you very much.